Hey, you ever been driving down the road and all of a sudden your hood started to flutter, your hood started to shake, your hood started to shimmy and shammy, and you were thinking to yourself, my hood's not attached. Then you look up there and the hood latches are still on. So today we're gonna replace our hood latches with some rugged ridge hood catches. Something that we encountered for the first time in one of our Jeeps is hood flutter. We literally were driving down the highway. I went to pass a semi and the front of your hood starts going like this. That is because of these right here. This is the thing that holds your hood down, and it doesn't keep it down completely. I've seen a lot of people do several things to fix this. From some people putting Velcro on it, that's one way to do it. Some people take the spring out so that it's not springing up. And there's a lot of different brackets that you can get to fix that. Well, today we're going to take off these brackets and replace them with some brand new rugged ridge hood mounts. And these are the same hood mounts that I have on the 2007. So let's go ahead and do this. There's a couple things that you're going to need. You're going to need some Allen head wrenches, a 10mm socket, probably a 14mm socket, an extension, and you're going to need a wobbly socket to get around the corner to the back of here, because this portion here, getting to this part that holds us on, is going to be a bit of an issue. You're going to have to take off all of your components, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we're going to go with an 11mm up here to get off the original hardware. Getting to this little 13mm bolt back here is going to take that twisty socket. I just got a socket coming down in here. I took out my air filter to get to the back of that. Now to untwist that, I'm just going to run this ratchet. This will be fun. Take it off. So having a magnet, if you drop it down into this pit, is not going to help. So she's going to go clean that off real quick. That's where the paint has removed from the hood. Yeah, this is what the result is of your hood shaking up and down all the time, is that it actually has ate into the fender. So let's open up this kit and see what we got. XHD hood latches for JK, and this is what we got. Got the box. In the box, we have a very nice set of instructions. Rugged Ridge did a good job on that. It is well packed. Your instructions on how to put them on, pretty straightforward. Comes with all the hardware. Very detailed, very nice. Well done. Well done. So this is going to be the top part. This is going to be the bottom part. So you can see it comes with all the hardware and software that you need. So this is going to go on down here. It's basically got these little teeth that are going to go in these top holes and the one bolt that holds it on. To get this on there, you're going to have to separate this bracket, and that's going to take an Allen head to be able to take that off. So let's go ahead and start with that.
By the way, you guys have heard us say about maybe replacing the hood. If anyone is interested in this Gator hood, it's just got such a good paint job. I would like to sell it to be able to get just a plain hood to put on the Jeep, but I don't want to just get rid of it like nothing, because it has very good artwork on it. It's a great hood. If you know a Gator fan that is interested in the hood, whether to decorate somewhere or to put it on their Jeep, please let us know.
Now in the kit, you're going to get a set of brackets. These brackets that go right here, they're pretty much going to rest on that. They rest right in here. on top of that piece right there, just like that. This is your gasket. It's going to go right in here just like this, and then you're going to put that in there. Okay, that's nice and snug. Locking washer, that attaches that. Now you're going to have to reattach your top bracket. Top bracket goes back in. So we're going to reattach the bracket now. The top piece looks just like this. There's an additional little clip that's going to hold it in, that kind of holds it on. That piece goes right there. This piece goes right up here. You have 2 screws, and then the rubber gasket goes on the hood on the outside. Not upside down. You can really see what's happening with this clear coat on this gator hood. 10 millimeter. Let's get it snug down just a little bit. Get your base pad straightened out where you want it. Make sure everything's positioned right. Then use your 10 millimeter and snug it up. So take your bracket, put it back in here. Take your 2 Allen heads and tighten it back up. Okay, next thing you can do is you're gonna do your adjustment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and close my hood. Pull it down. I have a 16 millimeter wrench. 1 time around counterclockwise, 4 turns, and then that is gonna latch my hood in. I'm gonna bring back the retaining bolt and tighten it back. Just has to be snug. Take a look at that. All right, so there it is. It's mounted. You can go cheap on this and buy cheap ones, but cheap ones are just that. They are cheap ones. These are not cheap ones. They're good, heavy duty ones, and this is my recommendation because it's better to be safe than sorry. How much is it worth to you to not have your hood flutter anymore? I know there's a lot of cheaper solutions out there, but personally, I'd rather do it and do it right. Thanks for watching. This is not a paid product endorsement. This is something we purchased on our own. Rugged Ridge hood clamps, the link is below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Florida Jeep Rides. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And this is an upgrade for your Jeep. Well, that was such a hard task doing the install that we had to go to Culver's to treat ourselves. They got double Butterburger baskets and they're delightful. At Culver's, double Butterburger baskets. A double Butterburger bacon. At Culver's, you can get a double bacon Butterburger basket. Double bacon Butterburger basket. At Culver's, you can get a double bacon burger. At Culver's, you can get a double At Culver's, you can get a double butter bacon burger basket. At Culver's, you can get a double butter bacon. We had to stop at Culver's so I could pick up a double bacon Butterburger basket.
Almost.
We had to stop at Culver's so I could get a double bacon Butterburger basket.